Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Adams Rite number 22-0757 upper arm 1.1" backset. This is for the 4016 header bolt, and that is used with typically the MS 1850 deadbolt. So if you want to take the MS 1850 deadbolt and you want to convert it into a 2-point or a 3-point lock, you can add the 4016 header bolt and add the 4015 footer bolt or threshold bolt. That would do it. So there are maybe a half a dozen parts you need to convert from a 1-point lock to a 2-point lock. This would be one of them. Overall length is about 6 inch. Overall width, about 1 3/8 inches. Overall width, about 1 inch, whatever that is. So what happens here is the yoke down here is going to connect to the lock body via the actuating pin or whatever it is. We'll look at that in a moment when we look at the parts drawing. Then, of course, your rod assembly, your threaded rod and bolt assembly will thread into here, going up to the header. Okay? Yeah, very simple and straightforward. That pin is going to go through the lock body and then thread immediately into this part. So that link below this video to the parts drawing, it's called template. That will allow you to review the the upper arm, the 22-0757, 0758, 0759. This is the 0757, which means 1.1" backset. There are 3 versions of the upper arm: a 31/32, 1.1", 1.5". Page 2 of that document shows the different definition of each part number. Be sure to order the correct one. You would also need the upper arm pin is what it is, the 31-0363N. That's going to go through the lock body and then thread obviously into the yoke. This will straddle the lock body, okay, allowing you to throw that bolt up and down. You'll need, if you're going to convert it from a 1-point to a 3-point lock, you'll need the upper arm. You're going to need the adapter arm for the lower half. You'll need the rod and bolt assemblies. You'll need the rod and bolt guides. Those come with the snap bushing. At least they did on this order, and I expect that they normally do, even though it's not indicated as such. Technically, if I was interpreting that, I would order a package of snap bushing as well. And when you see the letter MP, that means it's a pack of 10. So if you're doing 2, an upper and lower, don't order 2 packages of snap bushings. You'd end up getting 20 of those. You'd also need the roll pin for the installation. You might need the lower strike unless you're going into a threshold, etc. So that document is very handy. Speaking of handy documents, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Adams Rite products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog and the published parts diagram for all of the pieces and parts that they have as published parts diagram can be located there. Not nearly everything Adams Rite manufactures, and they don't have, can't, or won't publish bill of materials, etc. I'd imagine it's probably just because they don't have the ability to do that. But those parts diagrams are incredibly helpful when they are available. Any questions on the 22-0757 upper arm for an 1.1" backset or any other Adams Rite product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.